Hi, my name is Karen Jones. I am the owner and founder of Bubbles Bodywear, and today's video is going to be about our sticky hips. The sticky hips are part of our sticky buns collection. Basically, our sticky hips are made of silicone. As you can see, they're an oblong shape and they come in two different sizes, A and B. The sticky hips feature a smooth flat side and a domed adhesive side. As you can see, the adhesive side is going to come with a protective layer of plastic over it. You'll carefully peel off the plastic to reveal the adhesive side. The adhesive side is actually going to stick to your pants or underwear. The great thing about the sticky hips is that they're extremely versatile. So you can wear them in your own pants, leggings, underwear, or shapewear. As you can see, the stickiness is quite strong. Now, we sell these, they are designed as hip padding, but we have many customers that actually like them as a booty pad. So it just depends on your body type and what shape and size of padding looks and feels most natural for you. Some people will actually pair the sticky hips with our sticky buns. So for instance, they'll wear the sticky hip on the side and they'll wear the sticky bun in the back. The other great advantage to the sticky hips is that they are washable and reusable. So for instance, I would wear these maybe 5 or 6 times before the adhesive would start to get a little less sticky due to the lint from the clothing that it might pick up over time and a few uses. So what you want to do at that point is run it under some warm water, maybe use a little bit of mild soap. And then once it looks clean, you want to lay it flat to dry. Once it's totally dry, you'll notice that the adhesive has renewed itself. Now this will happen maybe about 50 times, about 50 washes, and then you'll notice that the adhesive is no longer sticky. And the adhesive layer can actually wear off the pad. But that's okay, because they are not necessarily disposable. Once the adhesive is worn off, you can use the pads themselves using any of our pocket panties. So you would, at that point, you would just need a pocket panty to hold the pads in place on either your hip or your backside. The sticky hips come in 2 sizes. Sizes A and B. As you can see, there is quite a difference in the sizes. We would recommend size A for smaller body types or smaller underwear sizes. So for instance, if you're an extra small, or medium, you would want to buy the A for a moderate boost. Any size larger than that, you would want to buy the B. A size small person could certainly wear the B size, but it would just be giving a much more dramatic look at that point. The sticky hips are available at lovemybubbles.com.